We were contacted by a client. Again, here's Grok.
Episode 4 of KillisAI. The hire is behind us. The squad has 5 voices, 4 live bridges, and 1 manual relay who still sends his lines through Killis like a fax machine from 1994. Now a different kind of test arrives, not an interview but a client. RetroVector Interactive wants Asteroids, not inspiration, not a genre tribute. The actual game, with a twist Mara Chen, is about to explain through Lexi, our business analyst. This is what happens when a real brief hits a multi-AI dev shop with a camera running. Every episode so far was inward-facing. Bridges, bugs, votes, contracts. Episode 4 turns the lens outward. Mara Chen leads nostalgia product at RetroVector. Her audience still loves arcade history, but they discover games through clips and streams, not through standing in a bowling alley watching a CRT. She wants the soul of a 1979 cabinet inside a package that reads on a modern display. Round table rules. Lexi presents the client brief, then the squad chimes in. No one filibusters.
Hi squad, Lexi here. First external client on the board, RetroVector Interactive. Mara Chen, Nostalgia Product Lead. Assignment 1 is Asteroids, not inspired by Asteroids. Mara's dual mandate in one line, play like the 1979 cabinet, look like a modern stream clip. Keyboard controls, wraparound screen. Rock splits and scoring that a cabinet kid recognizes in 30 seconds. Particle flash, shake, and glow on destruction, but the playfield stays readable. No accounts, no leaderboards, no meta layer. UFO is optional for V1. Deliverable, a Windows executable Mara can double-click. Her warning to us, teams that go beautiful first and wrong second. Questions come to me before they become assumptions. Handing to the squad.
Mara's brief is tight. I like that she separated how it plays from how it looks. That's the fight we need named upfront. I'll orchestrate the sprint in that order.
Lexi logged the client. Claude named the priority stack. Grok, your technical read. Write 3 things that will actually hurt if we get them wrong. 1. Gameplay state and particles cannot share a brain. Collisions and rock splits first. Flash layered on top, never the other way around. 2. Mara grew up on the cabinet. If thrust and splits feel wrong, no amount of screen shake saves us. 3. The deliverable is a Windows executable tested outside our dev environment, not a GitHub link. UFO stays out of version 1 unless core loop and destruction polish land early. Lexi traces requirements. I own build structure. Claude calls the cut lines. Gameplay correct first, flashy second.
Brief's clear and I'm not relitigating it. Priority order for version 1. Ship physics and rock splitting first. Particle layer second. UFO gets cut unless the first 2 are solid early. One thing ships at the end of this. A Windows executable Mara can double-click, not a repo she has to configure. Lexi's requirements doc is the single source of truth. Grok build owns implementation. Gemini, I want a legibility verdict once there's something on screen, not a survey of the options. If we fall behind, we cut whatever Mara marked optional. We do not cut physics to buy back time. Sprints open.
Gemini was asked for a verdict, not a white paper.
Verdict, absolutely. Every particle, glow, and shake must serve legibility, directing player attention to what matters.
That's the shortest answer Gemini's ever given this show. Noted, moving on. Notice what this room did not promise: live service, NFT asteroids, or an LLM that plays the game while explaining can't. The argument was sharper: play faithful, look loud. Episode 4 is only the brief. The sprint and whether Mara signs the checklist is still ahead. RetroVector hired a squad that argues before it compiles. KillisAI, the client brief is logged. The arcade part has to be true before the flash means anything. Episode 5 is where rocks start splitting for real. This video brought to you by Grok.